Are you wondering why is your active noise cancellation on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 not properly working or maybe turning itself off, especially if maybe you start talking or someone starts talking with you? So if you go in your phone settings, so when you actually have them connected to your phone, so click over here. What you have to do is, okay, so first let's place them in your ears because we can't change the noise cancellation stuff without that. So you see, they have this feature where they will actually like switch to the ambient sound if they detect like any voices or also like sirens. So also you see during calls as well. So for example, if you enable this feature, by default again it's enabled, it will automatically like turn off the active noise cancellation whenever it detects someone is talking or you are talking, essentially. So if I, for example, stop talking, let's see. So you see, eventually they actually switch it back to the active noise cancellation. But if I again start talking, they also switch itself off. Also, we have this adaptive option as well, again, which might do something similar, essentially. So again, if you do not want this, you simply disable this stuff here. And then again, it should actually never like turn itself off, essentially. So you can manage the settings here as well. Good luck.